Hey you guys, how are you? Good? Okay, good. So I'm coming to you. I'm gonna do like a how to with people with like receding hairlines or chemical damage, edges, like when your edges are gone or stuff like that. So I'm coming to you and I'm gonna show you how to finesse it with like a front tool or a closure. But this time I use the closure and I use it on my mom. So that is the person in the video that you will see. That is my mom. And she's at the end, towards the end, she'll tell you what exactly happened to her and how her hair got like that. So if you guys don't want to hear me talk right now, you could just script to the end and you can see that. But if you do, thank you. And yeah, so because I know like it's like a lot of people out there that have like, you know, bad edges and frontals and closures is like the it thing right now. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And I know like there's a billion videos out there that everybody's been doing and how to and install your frontal and stuff like that. But certain people can gravitate towards you better. Like certain people can understand you better. So I might show you a way where you understand faster and another person might show you the way. So if I am the person that show you, look at this shit. I gotta steam this. But if I do like, you know, if it helps you, then I'm glad it helps you. Yeah. So stay tuned. Enjoy the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, hey you guys. Right now, don't mind my mom's face because that's why I'm covering it, because the makeup is running and it's like the end of the day. And you know, I want to do my mom like that. But yes, so right now I was showing you how I got to be glued the front, because that's where I'm gonna put the closure. And I'm going to measure how much net I need to use, because her hair is so fine. I don't want to put any tension on it. So I'm going to put the net on it. Now, you can you want tension on the net. So what you need to do is ask a client or a family member, whatever, whoever you're doing hair, to hold it tight so you can have that tension on there. You don't want it to be loose. So right now I'm just going to sew it down, or sew the parts that I want on her head. And yeah, I'm just going to sew it down. Now keep in mind I do have braids in her hair, but I did not braid it too tight because like I said, her hair is fine and I didn't want to pull it. So the net is going to help whoever, like if somebody has fine hair, I would suggest you put a net on their hair if they get in a weave, because it helps with low tension. Sorry for that. But it helps with low tension. That was my email, you guys. Sorry. So right now, I'm showing you that I cut basically all of the stocking cap off. Yeah, that was a stocking cap. I forgot to tell you guys. You want to make it as near as possible. So with this method, you can see the braids, right, you guys? Okay. So I'm going to put alcohol. You can use 90 proof, but certain people have sensitive skin, so it's 70 proof for her. My mom has like sort of kind of like sensitive skin, so I don't want to irritate it. But what I'm doing, I'm just cleaning off the area before I place the glue and stuff like that. Yeah, I can tell she tired, right? Because I was like, Mom, let me just do your hair. I want to just do it. So I call her when she's she's sleepy. Don't mind it. Look at her, boom. Huh? You call me? No, Ma, I didn't call you. She probably gonna kill me. Okay, so now I'm gonna place. What I did was I used the glue, the adhesive, and I used the adhesive tape just to give her a better hold. This is not my normal routine, but I want to try this. So, yeah. So I'm going to use the tape, and I'm going to use the regular glue that you glue your hair with. Or your lace front. Your front tooth, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I feel like it's important to use the tweezers, because if you pull it with your fingers, the oil from your fingers will mess up the sticky, and it won't be as tacky as you need it to be. So right now I'm going to apply this bowl hold. I know y'all heard about that. It's good. I really like it. So I'm going to apply some on the tape with I'm going to apply it with on oh Jesus Christ, on the tape. It's going to be on the tape, you guys. Just going to dot it up. We was watching Family Feud, actually. See, that's what's on her phone. We was getting some laughs from that. So right now I'm going to use a popsicle stick. I mean, you can find this, like, if you live near a Dollar Tree, they have them, like, at a lot for, like, $1 or something like that. Or you can go into an art supply store and get them. The reason why I'm doing this is because you don't want to touch it with your fingers. Like I said before, there's, like, oil on your hands, and you just mess up the process. It'd be a really sticky, messy process, and you don't want that. So with the popsicle stick, I mean, you could use the back of the comb, like the rat tail of the comb, but that residue in there is annoying too. So with the popsicle stick, you could just throw it away. So after putting it on top of the tape, I'm going to do it on the hairline of the what do you call that? Of the stocking cap, just to give myself just to help it out a little more, just to be more confident with it sticking and staying. So you want to let this dry, so it'll dry clear. That's how you know it's done. Don't ever put it on while it's white, because it's just a messy situation, at least for me. So you want to wait until it's like a little dry to clear, and then you'll be good to go. So once it's dry, you want to put that color on before. I made a mistake and didn't do it, but if you learn from my mistakes and put the color on the stocking cap before you do all that glue and stuff, because I had to just go back over it. The reason for the color for the makeup on it is to make it look as natural as possible. This is the way I knew I effed up. I'm trying to avoid all the sticky spots, but if you just learn from me and just put the color on before you start gluing everything down. So right now I'm just trying to see how tacky it is. If it's still tacky after putting the makeup on. It's still a little tacky, but I'm going to still go over it. It's best to dot it across so you can like see how much you're putting, opposed to just squirting it across, because you might put too much. So after it's all dry and clear, I'm showing you guys the tape, and I'm showing you exactly like how it will look being put on. It's not even, but it will be even in a second. But I'm just trying to show you how natural it look. So after I put it on, I'm just going to use another popsicle stick, or the other side of the popsicle stick, and just press it down to make sure it's all flat and seamless. This was my mom's first closure as a weave, because she takes all my freaking wigs. But this was her first one, so I'm glad it came out the way it did. So any residue that is from the glue or whatever you put on when you was applying the frontal or the closure, just use a little alcohol and then just wipe it off. And so now that we got that down, you can use one of those foam wraps, like, you know, they come in black and white, and you can actually wrap it around the client's head to keep, you know, the frontal laid down flat. But it was flat enough for me, so I didn't need to use it. So I'm just gonna apply the weave. If you guys want more in-depth tutorial, instead of me like cutting and pasting the video and you see half of it done and then damn near all of it's done, just let me know down below. So you guys saw the pictures and stuff, so she could better explain how she got the damage.
Well, I started out real young doing my own hair. Thought I knew everything. Using Ultra Sheen, that was a thing back then. And I didn't know how to take care of my hair. I didn't do my edges right. I put tight braids in and everything like that. And a lot of it just kept getting worse and worse every year. And then I just kind of laxed up and started wearing wigs.
So what would you say, like, how long it took for your hairline to like disappear like that?
Well, it took a little while, but it never grows back. I tell you that much. It won't grow back.
Okay, guys. So I mean, basically, she's saying like she got like chemical damage using like the wrong things and wrong combination. So like over the years, it'll leave like a permanent situation instead of like if you catch it right away. So
tight braids.
Yeah, tight braids and and did you like use chemicals like was it perming? Did you perm it a lot?
A lot of perms, and at the time I didn't know about conditioning it, deep conditioning and things like that. So I paid for it.
And now
that's it.
That's it, you guys. So yeah, so if you have any questions about
the new wig that I have on there.
But it's baby, a weave, Mom.
My baby made me a weave.
Yeah, come closer. Ooh,
really
check that hairline. Yes, honey. So if you guys got any questions for my mom, if you want to know anything, you could just hit me down below and I'll ask her. And maybe we could do another video together. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys.
Yes, indeed.
Bye.